Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thank you for joining me for another video. So I am outside because I know my days are numbered to be able to do videos outside, but I think I might struggle a little bit with the wind and the lighting. So bear with me, we'll do our best. Both sidekicks have joined me because they do prefer the videos outside, don't you see? Zena's got a busy bone here, she's guarding. These are her favorite things, huh? Wyatt is here. He's on bug patrol. Do you want to say hi to everybody? You can see his little nose. Yeah. All right. So I have my Rocksbox for you, and it's been a little while since I've had a Rocksbox because I actually bought all 3 pieces from my last set, which means I waited till I got 3 months worth of credit, the $21 credit, to apply to each piece. So it's probably been at least like 2.5, almost 3 months since I got a set. I am so excited. I did get to preview these. You do get 24 hours to preview your set before these are sent to you. This is a jewelry rental subscription. So you do pay $21 a month to be able to get 3 pieces of jewelry to wear for as long as you like. So basically, you do not have to send these pieces back every month. You can keep them for as long as you like. However, you are charged the $21 a month. If you decide to keep an item from your set in that month, that $21 does get applied to any item that you want to keep. If you keep all 3, you generally get a discount, and you do not have to buy all 3 at the same time. So I do tend to drag mine out. So if I want to keep more than one piece, I make sure that my $21 gets applied to each piece. And once I buy that 3rd piece, the $10 buy 3 discount gets applied to that 3rd piece. Doesn't matter if it took me 2 months, 3 months, whatever, to buy them. All right, so I do love Rocksbox from the perspective that I get to try jewelry before I buy it. So I make sure that I really like it. I want to make sure I keep it. I get to wear it. Obviously, any jewelry that is sent back is thoroughly cleansed before it is sent out. Okay, so let's check out this month's set. Getting the sun coming in. It's going to be a beautiful day. It's actually quite cool right now, except for in the sun. The sun feels quite warm, but it is only 67 right now. All right, so you always do get a little card in the mail or in the box that tells you all about each of your pieces and the pricing for each of them. You can create a wish list, which I really enjoy doing because a lot of times you will get pieces from your wish list. So once they become available, you can choose to have them included in your sets. Also, once you get to preview your set, you can choose to swap out pieces. So if you don't want that item, you can swap it out for a different item. If you miss looking at your set, so previewing it, it will just get sent to you as is. All right, here's my little bundle. You do get a return label. So once you're done with any of your pieces and want to return them, so if you're keeping any, obviously you would just check out, keep your item, and send the rest back. You put it right back in the box and in the envelope that you received it in. Everything always comes in jewelry pouches. All right, I think I have a completely gold set this time. This first one looks like it's by Rudiment. Where you headed, Z? You're leaving your busy bone behind. Okay, so first up is a ring set. What do you think, Z? Huh? Zena's walking behind me. She's now over here. So this is a double gold ring set. And these are very pretty. Hopefully you guys can pick up on those. They have some stones all the way around, like an infinity band. And one is curved and one is flat. And these are called the Rudiment Sunset Ring Set. And the member price is $63. The retail price is $75 for both. These are pretty. What you doing, Z? I like those. They fit nicely. They feel nice on. I love the double sets. I've been having a lot of luck with those lately. I did keep one other silver set that I got. Okay, next. This one says Rocksbox on it. So not specific to the brand. Oh, this is a necklace. Cena's like parked. I don't know if you guys can see her. She's like right behind me. Oh, this is pretty. So this is a double-stranded necklace, and it has a seashell on it. I think this was on my wish list. Look how pretty that is. Just turn that around. There we go. That's very pretty. I like the double strands. I love the seashell. Very pretty. This one is called the Aster Kalina necklace. $46 is the member price. The retail is $55. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, see, I'm going to like this set again. I'm going to like all three pieces again. So I'm in the sun. Hopefully you guys can see that. At least my neck is here. Hopefully you guys can see that really well. It's so pretty. Make sure both strands are shown here. That's so pretty. I really like the seashell, but of course I'm a beach girl. I'm a summer girl. Love anything that has to do with the beach and warmth. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer. That is so pretty. Yeah, I like that. Oh, I love that. Okay. All right, so we're 2 for 2. We got one more, and it's a pair of earrings. I love it. I love that you can try this out. So if you wear it a couple times and you decide you don't like it, so easy, just send it back. If you decide you can't part with it, then you get to keep it. All right, so next up is a pair of Aster earrings. And these have like a little coin and a little pearl, it looks like, on them. Those are pretty. These are called the Aster Roan earrings. And the member price is $51. Retail is $60. If I were to keep all three, it says the retail would be $190. The member discount is $30. So that's the difference between the retail and the member price. So that would bring it down to $160. And then if you buy all three, you get $10 off. These are a bigger hoop than I was expecting from the preview. But they're cute. But they're big. What do you guys think of those? Are they too big? They're large, but they're pretty. Here's a closer look. I like the little, the dangles are tiny, considering the size of the earring. And I like that the hoop is thinner because the earrings are larger. What do you guys think of those? Okay, so that is all three pieces. So there's my rings. I'm loving this necklace. I really hope that you guys can see really well. I'm going to turn the camera just a little bit, get myself out of the sun. So hopefully you guys can see. But I kind of really enjoying these pieces. I have to decide if these earrings I think are too big for me. Of course I have my hair up today, so maybe when my hair is down I might see this still behind me moving around. I think maybe when my hair is down I would like them better. But I'm loving this necklace. This is super pretty. And the rings are really nice. Zena, you like the earrings? They're pretty. And that is all three pieces. That's everything. What do you think? Yeah, I would never buy all 3 at one time. I would always drag it out and use $21 off of each piece. So that brings it, you know, because you're already spending the $21 anyway. So I would always take that $21 off of each piece. All right, so you guys tell me which ones are your favorites. Okay. Tina's now rolling on the couch here, and she wants loving. Sorry, she's being very distracting today. All right, so you guys tell me which ones were your favorites, which ones you think are the keepers out of this set, and I will list all of them down below in case you want to add them to your wish list. I'll also put my link to Rocksbox down below, because if you want to give this a try and you use my link, your first month's $21 is waived. All right, guys, thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this, and I can't wait to hear what you think. I would love if you hit that like if you enjoyed this video and want to see more. If you want to hang out for the long haul, please hit that subscribe button. It does really help my channel grow. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everybody. Bye.